Screaming Wings RC back at you with the Volantex 600 Ranger. Gonna do a little flight today. Got a little bit of wind and I'm doing this on purpose. I want to check out its handling characteristics with a light wind. Kind of windy. Let me set my hat up a little bit higher so you guys can see where I'm flying. I don't know if that's the wind or trim needs done. Seems to be getting higher and higher. That may need a down trim. I'm not quite sure. Give it a little bit. Pretty breezy. Bring her down a little bit. Yeah, a bit breezy up there. It's handling pretty good though. Yeah, real breezy up there. Let's climb a little bit. We'll see. A little wobbly, not terrible, not terrible. A little headwind there, could even glide. There's throttle cut, let's see how she glides. Up there in the thermal. She's gliding there. It's all glided, no power there. Give her a little power. Get some elevation. Get some gliding again. Yeah, today's all about glide with the wind. See how she does. She does pretty good into the wind. Does pretty good. Yeah, it's day 2 out here with this bird. Slightly heavier wind. I don't know if that's my trim or that's the wind. I think it would be the wind though. I do think it would be the wind. Hope you can see. I didn't have the camera up high enough yesterday. And I got the hat sitting high on my head. Let's take her out that way a little bit. Out around the cell tower. Zero power. Zero power to the motor, I should say. Zero throttle. Just cruising the wind. Yeah, she'll glide, man. She will glide. Gliding nicely. Oh, got that sun hitting us. Probably messing up the camera. Alright. Give it a little throttle. Come back with the wind. Tailwind. Let's climb. There we go. Zero throttle. Simply gliding. Oh, she does well. Such a little bird. Of course, not crazy winds today. Just a nice thermal up there. Keep the nose into it. I'm no glide expert, so I don't know how they do the dips and rolls and cuts back into it, so I'm just nosing in, see how she does. We'll glide her up again. Does well. There we go. Alright. That battery was starting to act a little funny, so I brought her down while I could. Switch out the battery, get back on it. Alright, we got the bigger 600 milliamp battery, which is heavier, of course. Yeah, once a nosedive, especially on takeoff. Hey, he goes nose heavy with that battery. Windy up there, man. And does she ever wobble? See that black on the right wing? I made that's how I got my orientation of the bird. I got it marked there, heavy. Uh-oh. Ooh, she was going out of range there or something. Gotta be careful. Gliding. No power to the motors right now. I'm gonna give her a little bit. I think she needs some left trim. She's circling by herself. Could be the wind. But she's flying good. Volantex Ranger 600 761-2. Throttle cut. Glide. Bring her at us. Uh-oh. Yeah, that cell tower, man. She's a doozy. She's a doozy. I don't like, see, that's why I don't want to fly up here too much. I had problems with my drone up here too. My multi-rotor. Let's just keep it flying as a park, like it's supposed to be. All right. Got to keep it in around here, especially this tower. Hope I'm putting the camera on with my hat. I tend to forget. It's a little risky flying down here. Little risky. This cell tower, it does interfere. I know they're on totally separate different bands. Totally separate bands, but man, that cell tower really affects this and the multi-rotor up here. Air Force plane. Woo! Hey, he's way out there, man. We ain't gonna. We can fly in tandem with him. There we go. I think we'll bring her down. All right. There she be.